Okay, lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here. I want to show you this milk frother. I've been wanting one of these things. It is by Milk Boss Electric Milk Frother. It was priced $11.99. Zule Kitchen. Okie dokie. All right, so it did take 2 AA batteries that has already been put in it. I put in it, and that's the little stand. I think it's really cute because it's going to be simple and easy to clean. Ooh, so let's test it out, see what it does. I'm not a coffee drinker, but I will drink hot chocolate. So I've got me hot chocolate just made, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to froth me some milk in the other cup, and let's see what happens. Now, I did see online where it was saying that it does a little better if the milk is not cold, like the milk is kind of warm. I don't know about that. I think I'm just gonna try it cold and see what happens. Let me know in the comments below the video which one you get the better results with, guys. But I'm gonna just try it without warming the milk up. I'm just gonna put a little bit. That's all the milk I'm gonna do it with. Let's try it. Now it said to like do the up and down. It's frothing. Look at that. Look at that froth. Wow, that was quick. You see that? You better do it, Zule Kitchen. Dang, look at that, guys. Wow, look how it multiplied the milk. I feel good about my frother, y'all. Ooh, frothy, frothy, frothy. Ooh. Wow, look at that. Oh, I'm so stoked about my little frother. Ooh, I feel fancy. Now, let's put some in the hot chocolate. Let's pour some in the hot chocolate. See what happens. Crystal, don't make no mess. You gotta hold the camera and uh-oh, is my froth going away? Look like my froth going away. We need to froth it some more. Y'all can tell I'm not a coffee drinker and I don't know what I'm doing. I want it frothy, frothy, frothy. Ooh. Let's try it. Let's pour it in, guys. What you think? Ooh, yes, auntie. Ooh, I feel fancy. I bought the more. Ooh, did I do it right? It looks good. And let's put some sauce on there. Let's see, can I get my sauce open? Ooh. Oh, this hot chocolate is gonna be good, y'all. What y'all think about my frother? I think it did good. What you think? She did good. That's gonna be a good old midnight snack. Look at that. Simple cleanup, guys. You're just basically rinsing it off. I'm like, wow, really? According to the thing. So I'm feeling it. You're not gonna get that other part wet up there. I went a little too far. You don't want to go on up there because you know it's battery operated. You're not going to submerge this white part in water, but we're just rinsing it off. Then we're gonna hang it over here to dry, honey. And it's gonna sit over here by my Keurig. Oh, you better do it. I'm feeling fancy. I got a frother. And the splash milk all on the wall. Guys, I think this little frother, if you could find it in your area, Ross, would be a good Christmas gift item. Now, I did actually look to see how much it is online, and I did actually find it online, but it was more, okay? I found it on Amazon, and I will link it in the description box below in case you guys do want to purchase it. It's actually more than the $11.99, but it is on Amazon, guys, in different colors, but I'm liking it. Hopefully it will continue to be a good little frother. I would like to have another one. I probably should have gotten me one so I could have one at my office, but I didn't think about it. You know, it was something that I wanted, but I really wasn't like actually seeking it out. And I just happened to find it that night last week when I went to Ross with my sister Marianne. So be on the lookout for inexpensive items that you could give as Christmas gifts. I think that would be a great Christmas gift to a person that's a coffee drinker. Of course, I'm not a coffee drinker. Richard drinks coffee, but I do like hot chocolate. And I'm gonna tell you, it did good in my hot chocolate. I liked it. It gave the hot chocolate now this, you've seen I made the hot chocolate with my Keurig. So of course the hot chocolate was made with water. So when I put the milk in it and then I put the syrup in it, it was just like, ooh, I didn't even have to add any sugar. And normally Crystal adds sugar to her hot chocolate because I like it sweet. But it gave it a real creamy kind of chocolatey taste. It was tasty and no sugar required. Look at that. Look what Frother did. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below of the video. Have you started your Christmas shopping yet? Crystal hasn't. I haven't started any actual Christmas shopping, but I do plan to, because I just wanted to pick up items as I go. I don't want to be in the hustle and bustle of the Christmas time, you know, running out and get stuff. And I told you guys, I'm not overspending this Christmas. So it ain't much to get. How about that? All right, that's it, guys. Remember, click to save and you'll be amazed. Bye-bye.